Hi, this is Seaman here, and as you can see, it's super snowy out. It's been snowing like mad since about 5 in the morning. I was up at 5 because I was at a friend's house overnight, but yeah, look at that. Look at the snow. It's like, I'd say 10 inches, maybe 10 inches thick, about. Depends really on where it snowed and such. But yeah, the roads are terrible, and it's really, there's like no sign of it stopping anytime soon, really. And it's predicted like 9 to 15 inches. I think it's going to be a lot more than that. Just look, I mean, look how thick that is. It's like a foot on our porch. Or our back porch here. This is my backyard. The streets are even worse. But, yeah. Oh. Yep. That's all. It's beautiful. Oh crap, I fell. You like that? See you next time. Bye.